In this video, you will see how to insert Euro symbol in Gmail on Mac. It's very easy. To insert Euro symbol in Gmail on your MacBook, you may have tried this insert emoji option. And if you type Euro here, nothing appears. So to solve this problem, there are couple of options. You can click here on ABC and then click on show emoji and symbols. You will see this small window. Now just type here euro and then click on the euro sign to insert it into the Gmail. If you don't see this option, use the keyboard shortcut Control Command Spacebar and you will see the window again. If this option doesn't appear at all, then the simplest thing you can do is just go to the Google and type for euro symbol and you will see this symbol of euro. Just copy this sign and then paste it into the Gmail. This is a workable method if you don't see the emoji keyboard on your MacBook. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos related to Gmail. See you again in the next one.